What's up everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of sales, specifically a little known, but super interesting, tactic called spiff rewards. Ever heard of a spiff? No? Don't worry, most people haven't. It sounds kind of funny, right? Like something out of a 1950s comic book. But trust me, spiffs are no laughing matter. Used correctly, they can be a powerful tool to skyrocket your sales performance. But used incorrectly, well, let's just say they can cause some major headaches. So, what exactly is a spiff reward? Buckle up, because we're about to unpack this sales mystery. Breaking down spiffs. Imagine this, you're a salesperson, grinding day in and day out to hit your targets. You're good, but that extra push to close those big deals can sometimes feel elusive. Enter the spiff. A spiff reward, also known as a sales incentive or bonus, is essentially a performance-based perk offered by a company to its salespeople on top of their base salary and commission. These rewards can come in all shapes and sizes, from cash bonuses and gift cards to luxury vacations and even that new car you've been eyeing. Why do companies offer spiffs? Companies are in the business of making money, and that means selling stuff. A motivated sales force equals more sales, which equals more profit. Spiffs are a strategic way to light a fire under their salespeople and achieve those targets. Here's how it works. By offering exciting spiffs, companies incentivize specific sales behaviors. Maybe they want to push a new product line, so they offer a spiff for every unit sold. Perhaps they're lagging behind in a specific region, so they create a spiff program for exceeding sales goals in that area. Spiffs can be tailored to almost any sales situation. But are spiffs really all sunshine and rainbows? Hold on a sec, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Spiffs can be a double-edged sword. Here's why. Short-term focus. Spiffs can create a laser focus on achieving the spiff goal, potentially neglecting other important sales aspects like customer service or building long-term relationships. Internal competition. Spiffs can turn a collaborative sales team into a cutthroat competition, breeding resentment and negativity. Unsustainable costs. Companies need to carefully consider the cost of spiff programs. If not managed well, they can eat into profits quickly. So, how can you use spiffs effectively? Alright, so spiffs have their downsides, but don't write them off completely. Here are some tips for using them strategically. Align spiffs with company goals. Make sure your spiffs are designed to achieve specific business objectives, not just boost individual sales. Transparency is key. Clearly communicate the spiff program details to your team, including eligibility criteria and reward structures. Don't forget long-term value. Balance spiffs with incentives that encourage behaviors that benefit long-term customer relationships. The final word on spiffs. Spiffs can be a powerful sales tool, but they require careful planning and execution. Used strategically, they can motivate your team and drive sales. But used poorly, they can create unhealthy competition and financial strain. So, the next time you hear about spiffs, remember, it's not just a funny-sounding word. It's a sales strategy that can make or break your bottom line. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time, keep crushing those sales goals.